Hello everyone, you are welcome back to our channel. My name is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. You will remain untouchable after doing this. You will use your early morning urine to strike down your enemy and protect yourself, and you will remain untouchable after doing this spiritual work. Just stick here with me for the rest of this video. I want you to watch this video from the start till the end, okay? So that you can get all the instructions. Don't miss any part of this video. Continue watching. Alright, so my name is Precious and you're welcome back. I want to say a very big thank you for always coming back to my channel, for always watching my videos, and for always commenting, for always liking, and for always sharing my videos with your friends and family. And for those of you that have been trying out our spiritual work and they have been working well for you and you have been sharing your testimony, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Alright, it means so well to me, and you know I love you so much for that. And if you are new on this channel, you're welcome. My name is Precious. Once again, on this channel I do spiritual videos for spiritual people. Okay, for people that want to stop disappointment and embarrassment and regret, for people that want to manifest, for people that want to solve all their spiritual problems using simple natural ingredients. Alright, so let's get this video started. You will remain untouchable after doing this. In fact, in this video we're going to use our early morning urine to strike down our enemies. You will use your early morning urine to strike down your enemy, and you will remain untouchable. You will be protected in the mighty name of God. A lot of people have been suffering from spiritual attacks. They have been suffering, for worldly attacks. They have been suffering from attacks from their enemies. They have been suffering from attack from the evil world. They have been suffering from attacks from family members. In this world that we live in is actually a wicked world. People that you are nice to, just because you are nice to people, or you are laughing with them, doesn't mean they feel the same about you. It doesn't mean they love you. In fact, it's such a wicked world. That's why you have to take care of yourself spiritually. You have to build yourself up spiritually, and you have to do things that will make sure that you are protected and you remain untouchable. And one of the things that you can use is your urine. It's very powerful. If no one has ever told you, I'm telling you right now. And if you would believe it, okay, don't say, oh, what is this guy talking about? What is this man talking about? How am I going to use my urine, a waste product, to solve my problem, to protect myself? In fact, you need wisdom, and I pray God give you that wisdom. Things that you call waste product is very powerful. In fact, it is your own waste product. It is you that is calling it waste product. It is a powerful tool you can use to make yourself untouchable, to make yourself powerful in the face of the enemy, to make yourself destroy your enemies immediately. Alright, so how are we going to do this? Please listen to this instruction very carefully. You will need your early morning urine. Early morning urine. When I say early morning urine is the urine that you pee from 12 midnight till like 5 a.m. in the morning. 12 a.m. in the morning till 5 a.m. in the morning. That's what I consider early morning urine. So you're going to gather your early morning urine. Make sure you get a clean bottle. For myself, I have my own bottle over here. That's my own early morning urine. Whenever I want to use anything, I just make sure I use it. But I always make sure this is clean. Okay? And make sure that you do this when you feel that you are healthy. Don't use your urine when you are sick. Okay? So gather your urine, and you can gather it from like 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. Okay, so when it is like 5 a.m. on the dot, okay, get your urine and read Psalm 35 into it. If you are a Christian, get your Bible, get your urine ready, okay, and get your bath water, because you are going to take a bath with this. You're going to bath with it. So get your bowl of bath water ready and pour the urine in your bowl. All the urine that you have been saving, pour everything in there. And get your Bible. If you are a Christian, read Psalm 35 3 times into the water. If you are a Muslim, you can grab your Quran. Read any surah that you use for warfare, for prayer against enemies. If you are a traditionalist, grab your traditional book. If you don't have any traditional book, say some prayers, some incantations that you use against the enemies, that you use for protection, that you use to make yourself untouchable. Okay? So if you're a Christian, grab your Bible, read Psalm 35 3 times, or any Psalms that comes to your mind, any Psalms that is used for protection against the enemy, to destroy the enemies, to make yourself untouchable. Read that Psalm. But in this case, I'm using Psalm 35. So read Psalm 35 3 times into that bath water and start praying fervently using that Psalm into the water, that you want your enemy to be destroyed, that you want to remain untouchable, that you want your enemy to set you free. As you bath with this water, that you want your enemy to be destroyed, that you want your enemy to die right now, that you want your enemy to run faster, that you want your enemy to leave you all alone, that you want your enemy to leave you, to remove you from bondage. You get what I'm saying? So do this prayer fervently. Okay? You can do this prayer for 3 days. You can do it for 7 days. Alright? So once you're done with that, start taking your bath with this. Before you use the bath water, you can bath normally, using soap and all that. But when you want to use this water that you've prepared, please don't use soap, don't use sponge, and don't use towel to dry yourself. Let that water dry on your body. So while you are pouring the water on yourself, please start praying. Start praying to God to set you free from bondage, to make you untouchable, to make the enemies run away from you, to make your enemies set you free. Okay? To become a free man once again. So do this prayer. The first day, the second day, the third day, if you are doing it for 3 days. If you are doing it for 7 days, do it like that. And before you finish the spiritual work, you will start seeing changes. You get what I'm saying? Your enemy, you will start hearing news that somebody died. If you hear that somebody died, please don't care about it. It means your prayer, your spiritual work is working for you. Alright? Even if none of that happens, you should see some level of protection on your life. You will see that you remain untouchable. No enemies will come near you. No evil person will harm you again. So be consistent with this and be serious with it. Pray and it will work for you with belief. Believe. Okay? So at the end of the day, once it starts working for you, come back with your testimony. I'll be waiting for you. Alright? So remember to watch these videos over there for more spiritual videos against your enemy, to destroy your enemy. They will help you. Alright? So remember to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. I love you so much. Bye bye.